Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to do or create security deposits in ERP. This will be your login screen. Here you will give your email address and password. You will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to finance. Now click on security deposit, which is the menu of bank cash and deposit. In order to create new security deposit, click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, a form will open here. Here you will select your instrument type, whether it is a fixed deposit or bank guarantee. Here I am selecting the fixed deposit one. As soon as you will select the fixed deposit one, here you will select the customer name. Here you will select the purpose, whether it is a bank guarantee, earnest money deposit or others. Let us suppose here I am selecting the others. Here you will give the reference number. Please note the fields which are in blue are the mandatory ones. Here you will select the beneficiary name. If you want to enter any third party beneficiary name, you can enter here. The responsible person will be the person who is creating this particular security deposit. Here you will select the bank account. As soon as you will select the bank account, bank and branch will come by default. Here you will select the issue date for this particular fixed deposit. Here you will select the expiry date. If you want to select the claim date, you can select from here. Here you will give the processing fees. Here you will give the processing amount of this particular fixed deposit. Here in fixed deposit details, you will select the nature of deposit, whether it is monthly interest payout, quarterly interest payout or investment of interest. Here you will select the lien amount. Here you will select the liquidation date with liquidated amount. Here if you want to add any charges, you can add here by just clicking on add an item button. Here you will enter the notes for this particular security deposit if you want to add. In FD maturity, you will going to enter the FD account number, maturity amount, start date, maturity date, interest rate and current principal balance. If you want to add any documents, important documents related to this particular fixed deposit, you can add here. In journal entry tab, the journal entry will be created for this particular security deposit. Now, after filling all the details in the system, just click on save button. As soon as you will click on save button, the fixed deposit reference number will be generated here. As you can see, this number is generated by the system. Now click on submit button in order to submit it for this particular security deposit for approval. Now this security deposit, it's for currently the approval right has been given to manager only. So manager can only approve or reject this particular security deposit. Let us suppose here the security deposit has been approved by the manager. Once the security deposit is approved, now click on create journal entries if you want to create journal entries for this particular security deposit. If you want to reset it to draft, just click on reset to draft button. If you want to reject it, just click on reject button. Suppose here I am clicking on create journal entries. Here you will select the journal for on which you are making this particular entry. Let us suppose, and here you will select the debit account. Let us suppose here I am selecting the debit account as Parag Diwan. Now click on submit button in order to submit it. Once you create the journal entry, it will be in confirmed state. You can close this particular fixed deposit by clicking on close button. If you want to click on expired button, that means that this particular fixed deposit is expired now. I'm just clicking on expired. As you can see, the state has been changed to expired one.
Have at a pageant. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.